Dance, have fun, flirt, and be irresistible. Our life hacks will help you save your prom. Check out funny prom life hacks in our new video. This prom will be magic! Whoops! Where's my shoe strap? It ran away to dance without me! I can't go to the prom wearing one shoe like Cinderella. I need to come up with something. Exactly! I need a ribbon to match my dress. Where is it? Here! I found it! Cut off a piece and tie the shoe to your foot. Then do the same thing on the other shoe. My custom shoes are done. Oh, she's beautiful! I'll go flirt with her. Hi, June. We were in physics class together. Do you remember me? This jock didn't think about the curtain resistance. Leaning on it wasn't the best idea. Epic fail! Nothing can ruin this prom. Exactly! Oh no! My tights! It's a black hole! But Holly remembers an old life hack. Fix a hole in nylon tights with nail polish. It turned out pretty good. But why stop at one hole? I'll make a glittery pattern all over the tights. Whoa, Holly! Your tights are so sparkly. You were the star of the party! Prom was awesome! I had so much fun! But Holly forgot one thing. Taking off these polished tights is just like getting waxed. Freddie, sweetheart, what are you doing here? Texting someone? No, Laura, you're my only love. Oh, we'll see about that. Laura has a special spy accessory. This is a ring with a mirror for prom surveillance. Superglue a little mirror to a ring blank. What do I see here? My boyfriend is sending kiss emojis to some girl? This ring reflects the truth. I deserve better. Bye, Freddie. I need to go to the bathroom. But it's so uncomfortable to hold up my long dress. I have an idea. I need a big bag and a little imagination. Cut the bottom of a big bag. Get in the bag and pick it up along with the dress. It's smart and comfortable. It's important to take the bag off before you leave the stall. Holly, are you moving somewhere or what? Whoops! Why is such a beautiful girl like you sitting alone? Let's get to know each other. Oh, look at those legs! This is my secret phone case, Freddie. And now you are gonna get to know someone else better. Cut a clear folder to fit a phone. Sew the edge with a thick thread. Sew elastic ribbon to the edges. Decorate the attachment point with rhinestones. After one quick call, Holly's bodyguard shows up. Hi, Daddy! Who is bothering my daughter? Buddy, cool it! And prom is over for you! Holly, help! My new shoes hurt my feet so bad! But I really want to dance with this guy! Holly is on her way to help. I have a special mini anti-chafing product. Take some antiperspirant out of the tube. Melt it for 30 seconds in a microwave. Take an EOS container apart. Pour the antiperspirant into the cap with a grid. Let it harden in a fridge for half an hour. Holly sneaks up and applies the EOS deodorant to her friend's feet. Great work! Now her feet won't chafe. Plus, it smells amazing. Mission complete. Thanks, Holly. Got busted while checking your armpits? Ew! Whoops, that was awkward. Turn your embarrassing moment into a victory. Girls, this is a new dance move. Put your hands up and repeat after me. Prom is going great. We are having so much fun. But there's an issue. It's hot and my makeup is coming off. Oh no, I need to do something about it. Let's improve the effect and turn the ruined makeup into stylish smudged face art. Whoa, so fashionable and unusual. Everyone loves my new look. I want to look just like that. Poor Caroline. Her stylish strapless dress keeps slipping down. Stay here. Don't go anywhere. I have a plan. Freddie, I'll borrow this. Thanks. This chain doesn't look good on you anyway. Sew a chain to a dress. Make 2 straps. Attach another chain between them to go on the back. Caroline's dress is saved. Now it won't run away. Don't be scared to dance. Freddie hasn't forgotten about his chain. I got attacked right near the bathroom. It was a whole gang. The leader was very strong and tall, terrifying and dangerous. Her name is Laura. Write it down. Whoops! The police are looking for me. I need to change my look right now. Color clear plastic leaves with silver acrylic paint. Make a few pieces like this. Glue the leaves to a headband. Decorate with rhinestones. Pin back some of your own hair with the headband so you get bangs. Now the cops won't recognize me. Let's keep on looking. There she is! Get her! What's taking you so long? You've been doing your makeup for a century. Freddie, back off! What do you know about makeup? Here's a quick hack. Apply eyeshadow. Put your brush away. You can do this by hand. Move your finger and you are done. Freddie, you are clueless when it comes to beauty. Hang on, let's wipe off the excess with a Q-tip. Your express makeup is ready. Whoa, you're right. It looks pretty good. Prom Queen's Holly's dress is so beautiful and so uncomfortable. She keeps tripping over the hem while she's dancing. Ouch! I'm sorry. Holly, watch your knees. I have a life hack for your long gown. Attach rhinestones and different artificial stones to a hair clip. Use hot glue. Let me clip the bottom of your dress to the waist. Now you can dance all night long. Your long gown won't knock you off your feet anymore. Hurry up! Prom already started! Whoops! My nail! This is a disaster! Take my lipstick, Holly. Why would I need lipstick? I broke my nail, not my lips. No, look! This lipstick has a nail file inside. Cut a piece off a nail file. Make a rounded shape and glue the nail file to a lipstick tube. A 2-in-1 product! Lipstick and a nail file all in one tube! So handy! Nothing can ruin our prom! Did you like our prom hacks? Then comment below which one you'd use. Would you make a mirror ring, a bag for your dress, or fake bangs? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new useful life hacks from Troom.